Hello दोस्तों, welcome to Times Drive. Today we are going to drive a car which is not coming to India anytime soon. सुनने में ऐसा ही आ रहा है, लेकिन we have all seen that car. We have seen many videos. बहुत सारी बातें इसके बारे में सुनी हैं. Auto Expo 2018 के टाइम से ही we have been talking about this. This is Kia making an entry in India, and this is Kia Stinger GT. इसके सारी कहानियाँ जो हमने देखी हैं, most of them are talking about its sportiness, its speed. So I wanted to understand whether we call it a sports car or a GT Gran Turismo car. And since Kia is new to Indian market, तो इस गाड़ी को we'll see as if बिल्कुल नया product है, इसके बारे में हमें कुछ नहीं पता है. So let's start with the looks, and if you see Tiger nose front grille, लेकिन थोड़ी बहुत आपको याद BMW के kidney shaped grille की भी याद आएगी. The lights, the headlamps, they look really sporty, really aggressive. यहाँ LED headlamps हैं, साथ में आपको DRL भी दिए गए हैं. The pattern which the mesh kind of design over there, it matches with the grille also, and it looks pretty sporty from front. I really like the look. And then these cosmetic bonnet vents, खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं, but as I said, cosmetic. But these are not cosmetic. For airflow, from here to here, you can see it looks sporty, gives good profile also, and it looks nice. So now the rear, typical GT design, and if you see that sloping roof gives nice sporty look to this car, but this also means something. मेरे जैसे हाइट के लोगों के लिए headroom would be an issue. The lights again, they're looking smart. This whole long spread out lights, they look smart. I think some of us will like it. So whole concept of GT involves long distance driving. So you're supposed to carry lots of stuff, and Stinger has decent boot space as well. अगर हम सामान रखने की जगह देखें, so since this is all black, maybe you can't understand that or get the depth. That's why I'm doing this. Yeah. So this is what you feel like when you sit in the driver's seat of Kia Stinger. The seats, as I told you, they look nice. This color is a different kind of red. और ये इसे sporty बना रहा है. Then the kind of support I am seeing or I'm feeling is pretty great. So this is a special car for me because this is the first time I'm driving any Kia. और अब सबसे पहले we'll talk about the interiors and we'll see Kia ने इसमें क्या-क्या किया है. The dash looks premium. There's like soft touch, leather, and the stitching also looks pretty sporty. Then I like this highlight, which is dull metallic, and incorporated are the switches and knobs and buttons, media, map, navigation setup. It looks nice. And if you look at these AC vents, इससे आपको शायद Mercedes की छोटी वाली गाड़ी की याद आए. Then these climate control console, which is not as premium, but they look smart. अगर यहाँ पर हम center console की बात करें, the finish or the texture is little different from the metallic finish we are seeing here. But यहाँ आप देखें automatic transmission है, 8-speed automatic transmission with pedal shifters, and you have 5 driving modes which you can select from this switch or this knob. You can just turn it, and it goes from smart, eco, comfort, sport to custom. So 5 different driving modes. And then these switches जो आपकी seats को ठंडा या गर्म रखते हैं. I'll be talking about the seats also, जो कई तरीके से आप अपने हिसाब से adjust कर सकते हैं. But first, some storage space over here. Yeah, lots of stuff. And some space over here to keep your stuff. And then we'll focus on the steering wheel. यहाँ पर pedal shifters हैं. As I told you, यहाँ left में आपके जो switches and knobs हैं, they'll control the whole infotainment system. यहाँ से आप cruise control set कर सकते हैं. And then small GT badge. Now I'll focus on the steering wheel. यहाँ pedal shifters हैं. As I told you earlier, यहाँ GT badging है. Left side switches, you can control all the infotainment system. यहाँ right में आप cruise control आपको दिया जा रहा है. Then you can change all the display over here with this button. यहाँ से आपको सारे gauges दिखेंगे, oil temperature दिखेगा. You can see the torque, you can see the boost, and then you can set your cruise control from this side as well. अब तो ये सीन हमने गाड़ी की अगली सीट है, ड्राइवर सीट पर किया. कैसी फील हो रही है Stinger? That I told you. Now it's time to sit on the rear seat and find out पीछे जगह है या नहीं. So this is how second row in Kia Stinger feels like. I fixed the seat according to my seating position, और यहाँ पर knee room मुझे काफ़ी मिल रहा है. Thigh support is not that great, but I think it's also because of my height. अगर आप 6 फीट से ऊपर हैं तब आपके लिए थोड़ी सी दिक्कत होगी, and then headroom is also something which you might not like so much if you're above 6 feet. Second row or rear seat, I think it's good for 2 people. Let's talk about the engine of this Kia Stinger GT. This is fitted with 3.3 liter twin turbo V6 engine, which gives out around 365 horsepower and torque 510 Newton meter. Internationally दो और इंजन विकल्प बताए जाते हैं, जहां एक पेट्रोल इंजन का है और एक डीजल इंजन का है. So now it's time for us to drive this Stinger GT and tell you how Gran Turismo this is. Now I've started driving this Stinger. As I told you, this is the 3.3 liter V6 twin turbo engine, जिससे ताकत लगभग 365 हॉर्स पावर की आती है, 510 न्यूटन मीटर का टॉर्क आता है. वो सड़क के ऊपर कैसे ट्रांसलेट होते हैं. The first thing which I felt about Stinger is the kind of comfort this is giving. ये performance oriented कार ज़रूर लग रही है, but at the same time you also feel that it is pretty comfortable even while driving in city traffic, which I was negotiating some time back. वहाँ पर जो इसका performance था, that is very comfortable, I would say. This is like a sports car, no doubt. The kind of stance it has, the kind of height you are sitting at, उस हिसाब से ये sports car लगती है, but not like those extreme super sports cars. So as far as we know about Kia's plan, this car might come in 2019, और अगर आएगी तो सिर्फ इसी इंजन विकल्प के साथ आएगी, इंजन ऑप्शन के साथ आएगी, and that is okay as far as flagship branding is concerned. अगर कंपनी इसको flagship कार के तौर पर पेश करना चाहती है तो that's good, but again pricing would be crucial. Kia एक ऐसा ब्रांड है, people don't know so much about it in India, plus it's not a German car. And the kind of international pricing we see on this car, अगर इसे CBO के तौर पर लाएंगे, this might become an expensive proposition. So that ways I think Kia has to take care of pricing if they bring Kia Stinger GT 3.3